Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sania Jambal. I'm currently in my second year of college doing Bachelor's in Mass Media from Jai Hind College, Mumbai. Now, you must be thinking what this video is actually about. So I'll just clear that out. This video is basically a review of an Internshala training which I recently did and completed. And guys, trust me, the training has been amazing. And that's the reason I'm here to motivate you guys to do the same. And actually, before I dive into the video, we'll just have a walkthrough to the training platform of Internshala so that you guys get familiarized with how things work and what all benefits you have and stuff. So let's get into it. Type Internshala in your Google search bar and then you click on Internshala. Now over here, these are my applications displayed just so that you know whichever internships I had applied in, it's just showing me the status and everything. Now let's come to the trainings platform. Now Internshala has a lot of trainings that they offer in different fields like programming, business, core engineering, design, creative arts, data science, specializations. So you have a lot of fields to explore. Now coming to the contest part, now Internshala normally has contests, like these are the fields in which particularly they are having contests. I also applied during the contest duration for creative writing, and I've just completed my training, and that's the reason I'm reviewing this and I'm telling you how much I enjoyed this particular training, and I'm here to just motivate you guys to do the same because it's really worth it. So yeah, so now let's take creative writing only and understand how this works. Now because right now it's a challenge going on, the contest is going on, so it will show you the kind of cash rewards you end up winning if you participate in the contest. And then you also have about the contest, they have written everything about the contest you need to know. Then you also have the jury. Now I literally enjoyed a lot while learning this course because especially Kulpreet sir, he has such a beautiful way of speaking and interacting with the audience, so I really loved it, and it was very worth it and interesting. So yeah, now why you should participate? You end up winning cash rewards, and even if it's not a contest duration, you just apply normally without being part of the contest, still you're going to have a lot of benefits, right? Certification is something which we all want, and you're getting a certificate. What else do you need? And so much to learn. Now, learning opportunity, you learn creative writing from scratch. Then you also get a certificate. Then here is the timeline, as in when you register and then till when you had this training period. Then why you need to learn creative writing? It's also mentioned. So you have very good 3 reasons for you to learn. Now I did it because I really had interest in writing and I wanted to explore it much more than my usual horizon of knowledge. So yeah. Then you also have feedback from the past students who had applied for this particular course, and the normal doubts that normally students have, they all those are mentioned over here. So if you have any doubt, you can just go ahead and see. Now going to the dashboard, you also have a dashboard wherein it's mentioned which training you've applied in. Now because it applied in the training, you also get a placement preparation kit for free when you apply for any training. So that's a very big boon for you. So over here, it's like this. When I go to training, I can actually see the whole thing. Now because I've completed my training, I already have my certificate with me. And then you also have the deadline and the assignment details, which assignment you have to submit when, and what is the deadline for feedback for submission. This obviously is in past because I've already completed the training, but I'm just giving you a small layout of how it works. Then you also have a progress report where you have all the topics that you have under this particular course, and the score is also mentioned, how much you scored in a particular test, the final test that you have after every module. Then you also have a training project at the last. Okay, now this I think it's valid for people who apply during contest duration. Otherwise, it's normally till final test, and you already have a lot of projects, assignments, tests filled in for you under these topics. So it's very amazing. Then lastly, you have your certificate, which you download over here after you score more than 33% marks in the final test. So this is how it works. This is how you use the whole thing, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's definitely worth trying. So please do apply, guys. Now you guys must be thinking, what benefits do I have, or what are the features of these particular training? So let me tell you. First of all, you get the best in-class teaching. Secondly, you have a 24-hour forum support, so that if you have any doubts related to the training or any sort of doubt or query, you can just go and ask them, and you'll be having your answer within 24 hours. Next, you have industry level projects to solve, because definitely who doesn't want industry level projects? Because if you're doing a training, you would definitely want to have projects and assignments and tests, so you have all of that filled in your training course. Then you also get certifications. Guys, I mean, certificate is something that we all look for, so that's the best part. And except for that, you also have brain teasing exercises, so that you get a whole different perspective to that particular training course. Now, because I completed my creative writing course from Internshala, so I'll just give you a brief about the training course that I did, the creative writing course. Now, the syllabus for it basically includes fiction. You have a lot of things covered under fiction. Then you have non-fiction, because obviously you have different genres under both of them. So you have fiction, non-fiction. Then you have editing, wherein they'll just tell you how to edit a particular written piece. When you write something, how you're supposed to edit it. Then you also have publishing, right? Because everybody wants to publish their own book someday. So yeah, you have publishing, and you also have screenplay and advertising. So it's not just about, if you just want to become a writer, it's not just for the writer itself, but even if you want to become a content creator, then also this course is definitely for you. Anybody who has interest in writing, maybe advertising, screenplay, or any sort of content creation platform, then this training is for you. Definitely for you. Like, I have no such particular craze for writing as such, but definitely I wanted to explore a lot in writing, and I like content creation, so I went in for this particular training. You can choose any training of your choice, but I'm giving you my experience according to what I did. And if you guys are interested in writing, or maybe something related to content creation, then this is for you, definitely for you. Now, talking about the projects that you have in this particular course, you have loads and loads of projects for this under this particular training, such as you have you have to write a character sketch, because definitely when you are starting to write a story, you need to have your own character in that particular story. So you have projects like writing a character sketch, writing a short story, writing a conflict, then also editing a small written piece. Then you also have to write feature stories, news reports, and much more. I won't tell you all of them, because then you guys won't be having any excitement, so I want to build that excitement in you. So I won't be telling all of them, but you have these kind of projects. I'm sure till now you must be getting into it, like, I really want to do it, I want to write my own story, my characters and stuff, and everybody loves stories, right? So why not create your own story one day? So yeah. Then we also have, and talking about the assignments, now when you write your particular short story or maybe character sketch, it's not checked in the usual way. They won't just, you just don't have to submit it and you'll get your marks straight away. It's a very beautiful procedure wherein it's a peer graded assignment. So whatever work you will submit, somebody else, some other student of creative writing will check your work, and you yourself will also check somebody else's work. So that's a great thing, and I think I have literally gained a lot from that. And also, we get to read other stories, and that's something that builds our knowledge as well. So it's really interesting, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And one more thing that I really like about this particular training course is that it's an online training course. So you do not even have to go anywhere. You just have to sit at your home, and you don't even have particular time slots attached that if you choose 5 to 6, you have to be there at 5 to 6. You can watch it whenever you want according to your comfort. It's totally convenient and comfortable for you. So that's the best part, because there used to be times when I had a lot of things to do and I was busy a particular day. So I just used to skip for that particular day the videos and everything, and next day I used to watch in bulk. So that's something which I really like, that you do not have to be there present at particular slots. You can just watch the videos whenever you want to. So that's the best thing about Internshala online training. Okay, now talking about my experience, trust me guys, it was amazing. I had such a great time learning this particular course, because I always wanted to do something related to creative writing, like maybe content creation or something. So that's the reason I enrolled for this course, and I had so much fun. Especially Gurpreet sir, he has been such an amazing mentor and a teacher as well, because the way he talks is just so mesmerizing, and you are actually forced to listen. That the way he talks is just so amazing. And also in between, they also have included, Internshala has also included talks or discussions with award-winning publishers or authors, so you also get an insight into how things actually work in an open setting. So it's really great, and I'm sure even you will enjoy. Please do enroll, not just in creative writing. If you are a person who loves tech or maybe marketing or something, you can go in for that as well. I'm sure you're going to have a great time, and it's going to be worth it, totally worth it. And the best part is that you get world class. It's a world class online training platform, and you're almost getting a world class online training. So just imagine, it's really going to be helpful for you in future. And except for that, you can actually leverage your time if you want to go out and play, or maybe if you want to, now obviously it's lockdown so you can't go out and play, but even if you want to do anything, you have time to schedule your time accordingly and watch the videos whenever you want, according to your comfort. So that's the best thing, and I would really recommend you guys to please apply for these trainings. It's gonna help you a lot. And for now you must be thinking, why should I do this, or how is it gonna help me? But trust me, when in future you really go out and apply for internships or anything, this is something which is gonna act as a major push for you. Because I have myself experienced this when I applied for internships before. I didn't get hired by a lot of, or maybe I didn't get selected. But after I completed these 2 trainings, I also did a training in digital marketing. But right now I just talked about creative writing because that's something I did recently and I find it very, very interesting. So yeah, so I did 2 trainings from Internshala, and both of them were totally amazing. And because of those 2 trainings, I have been able to create an image of myself, and that's the reason, because it's in my resume, people actually select me, companies actually select me. So it's actually going to act as a boon for you. So do apply, and if you have any doubts or queries, please, you can I've put the link in the description, so you can just ping me on my Insta handle, or just put in the comments down below. And except for that, I have also put the link of mine, which is a discount code for you guys. So do not forget to apply this discount code whenever you apply for a training. Best of luck. Bye bye.